Hey everybody. So I actually am headed up to Oregon to do some things for my mom. And one of the things that I realized as I was coming through here is just, we've talked about the fires, and it is incredible to see how many places I've gone by that there has been fires, and the amount of homes that were lost and the amount of just buildings and things like that. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to cover this because I just want to know, are you covered? And the truth of the matter is that with our homeowners insurance, oftentimes people don't realize or think about the fact that they should actually have it re-looked at. And the reason I say that is because your homeowners insurance, oftentimes you might purchase it when you first purchase your home. However, what happens if you live there for, say, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years? Chances are there's substantial differences in what it was when you initially purchased it versus what it is that you have even now. So I'm going to encourage you to reach out to your home insurer and do a couple different things. First of all, verify and see how much coverage you have for your personal items. I mean, who's to say if you started out as it being your first home and you barely had a sofa and maybe even a card table as your family table? Well, that might be a lot different now that it's 5 years into it, even especially if you have kids. That next thing too is verify that the coverage is accurate for the home that you have. I mean, oftentimes the insurance policy is given for a certain amount. However, you want to make certain that that covers new costs of construction, new other things that are along that line, because the cost of materials and the cost of construction is consistently going up. The next thing too is verify your deductible. I mean, again, you might have been in a position where when you first got your policy, you were at one level, and it may make sense to modify and adjust that based off of your current position and current surroundings. And then last thing that I want you to consider is, what type of a policy do you have? Do you have a policy that is in place that's a set policy, or is it a policy that covers what's called replacement cost? The reason I say that is because that can make a huge difference in how and what you are given once or if you need to have an insurance claim. So I got to tell you guys, I know I've heard about it. I know you've heard about it. I know we've all been seeing the smoke and everything, but it is interesting and amazing to drive by and through and see just how much land and homes and property has actually been burned. So, you know what, guys, take a little bit of time, talk to your insurance person, make sure you're covered. All right. I'm called Krista, OIC Real Estate Services, here to help you see your real estate dreams come true. As always, have an amazingly blessed day. Bye.